Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create a new form using Gravity Forms Entry Importer by GravityView using your own CSV file. First, in Gravity Forms menu, click Import/Export, and then click Import Entries to get to the Import Entries screen. Then click the zone to upload the CSV, and select the CSV you want to import. In this case, it's a CSV that contains a lot of great books that I want to display in GravityView. Select Choose, and then select Create a New Form. Now I can type the name of the form that I wish to create. Great Books. And then click Continue with Import. The importer has read the CSV that I uploaded and provided me with a preview of the data contained in the file. For each column in the CSV, the importer has suggested a different type of field based on the type of content it has detected. For example, the book title is selected correctly as single-line text. Book author, summary of the novel is a paragraph text, that's correct. The number of pages, it is auto-detected as a number. And the cover is a link to a file that should be uploaded when the import happens. The importer has selected single line text, but instead we want to set that to file upload. So let's change that. We select the field type, scroll up, and select file upload. And now when the import happens, this URL will be fetched and assigned to each entry. For the rows that have entry notes, they are being properly interpreted as having entry notes and will be imported and assigned to the entry as well after it's created. So this form will have a few fields. It'll have book title, book author, summary, number of pages, and a cover image. And then the entry notes will not be a field, but they'll actually be notes assigned to the entry. If you want more columns added to the form, you can do that after it's created, but these are the columns that were available in the CSV that I uploaded. This looks really good, so I'm going to continue with the upload process by scrolling down to the bottom of the page and clicking Continue with Import. The Configure screen gives me some different options for the import process, but this all looks fine, so I'm just going to create the form and continue with Import. And there we go. I'm going to view the imported records, and you can see not only were the book title and book author and the summary and the number of pages imported, but also the cover image, which is the URL that we specified. And let's take a look at one of the entries that we just imported. You'll see the book title, author, summary, number of pages, and the cover image are all there, including the entry notes that we imported. And now let's take a look at the form that we created. You can see the book title, book author, summary, number of pages, and cover fields are all there. And that's a quick look at creating a new form with Gravity Forms Entry Importer. If you have any questions, please let us know at support, and we're happy to answer them.